I'll say, look at everyone checking out the IS300.
Day one, somehow in December.
Bro, he's in the bus aisle.
He's in the bus aisle. Max is a bus. He's a bus. Yeah, you blew past us. You went right into the streets of Woodfield.
I thought we were going there.
We're doing some cool stuff today. We're hosting a little mini meet. This is gonna be like, I guess, the community reveal of FullyDrivn, I believe. Like, we're gonna be telling everyone what we're doing and everything. It's not even necessarily meant to be that. It's just, we're calling all of our friends to hang out. So, drive over to Mitsuo. We're gonna see a ton of people today, I'm hoping. I'm trying to see where all the cars are. And I think I found them. All the cars are in the back lot, which is awesome. I don't know who's here. Oh, damn. Look at that lineup, Jesus. In theory, this is the first car meet that the IS has been to, which is really cool. This is a lineup right now, holy crap. Here's the IS. Oh, Jovi's here. Nightriders, Connor. Dang, that Lexus is bagged as hell, holy crap. Can we talk about that for a minute? That looks sick. Joe, of course, the twins. I don't know this Subi, but I think it's Serge's buddy. This is actually really clean. Dang, I like that. That's a really good fitment, actually. I like that a lot. And then Max, but then of course everyone else from the Nightriders. So wow, that's actually a really big lineup. Let's go inside so we can eat. Look at everyone checking out the IS300. Holy What do you think?
Well, you got Koenigs on here?
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't like them, to be honest.
You don't like them?
No. I'm gonna end up selling them if anyone wants them. You know?
It's clean, dude. Those won't fit.
Thanks. Yeah, they're probably they're 18 by 8, I think. Looks pretty solid.
No, that's
Sick. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's
how many miles?
128. It's been sitting for the last 4 years. Yeah.
It's been sitting?
I
In
just
the
got
garage at least, hopefully?
Yeah, under a garage.
Man.
What?
Damn.
You got a second camera?
Remember my old camera? Yes. He's got a camera.
Dang, Joey! This man's set up. This man's set up more than I am.
He's like, yo, I got you. Click, 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 click.
It's like, you can't miss the shot.
You can't. You need bags, my guy.
Dude, after seeing that one, I was like, God damn. So my plan is actually, because the front is so low already, to be honest, I'm only going to drop it maybe like an inch, maybe 2 on coils. And then after that, I'm going to keep the same wheel setup because I don't want it to squat and then just rip this apart.
Because it's like, as soon as you lower it a couple inches, it'll just fill out this gap like perfectly.
Yeah. And it's not going to be like, it's not meant to be like a slam setup anyway. It's like a track setup, so.
You don't want your frame rails up there?
If I had that, maybe just bag that out.
I felt underneath the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing looks sick. Oh my god.
Dude, just feel it.
There's like, there's actually like no clearance,
Nah,
like at all.
The side,
Dude,
I was
this,
like, what?
it looks so cool.
Bro, I'm feeling the frame right now. And
it's on the floor.
He's almost laying on the floor. It's perfect.
Dude, these things are sick. Actually, a lot of people are starting to drift these, which is kind of cool.
Cause I like these cars a lot.
Me too.
I love These VIP builds.
Me too, actually.
Oh, he's gonna flex on us. Damn it.
Oh, dang.
Sorry.
He said sorry.
Bro, when your suspension costs more than my car.
Facts.
Yeah. That's my. Well, it used to be.
Really?
I got a GS. I didn't need this.
Dang. Is that right? Is that ride height?
Yeah, that's what I ride at right there.
Nice.
Have,
That's clean as hell.
Knuckles in the front from max speed.
Yeah.
So when I drop it, it drops like legit. The oil
Just
pan's
like
on the
goes
floor.
all the way
I was
down.
gonna say, I kind of reached under there and I was like, oh,
No, it's on the floor.
You ain't stealing my cat today. All right, boys, let's go.
Well, I'm gonna see you guys later.
All right, man. It's good to see you, brother. It just started raining. I hope it doesn't like rain bad. Also, we're definitely gonna get cut off at this light. Yep, there's the cutoff. All right, I'm gonna have to Google where to go because I have no idea.
Do we still have anyone in front of us leading?
No, it's on me now. I'm literally looking at bus station. Oh God, I think I have it.
Okay.
And then look through the glass.
Oh, there
Here
it
we
goes.
go.
Yeah,
Let's go. Yup. Oh, got him. He got him. Oh, he got him again.
yes, sir.
Well, it's only 50 bucks. You should look into it.
Really?
Actually,
Yeah.
I was telling Jay that he should get a setup like this.
Like this?
Like a dongle to a mic.
Yes. Like this, literally, we put our setups together. That's what we both.
It's like the
did
perfect.
Right
Yeah, you guys need to
Is it
like.
actually good?
You need a
Yes, I actually got this at Best Buy.
50 bucks.
Yeah. 50.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah. So I'm thankful that you guys are here. I mean, you guys don't know me. My name is Serge, and I run the FullyDrivn. We're still trying to look for a spot for car meets next summer, but I appreciate you guys coming here.
So we've got our FullyDrivn crew now. Kind of as Serge said, it's cool to see everybody kind of out again. You guys too. It's good seeing you guys, like always. So started something new in day one, somehow in December. Bro, he's in the bus aisle.
He's in the bus aisle. Max is a bus. Nightrider, FullyDrivn collaboration in the future. We can do that. Yeah, you blew past us. You went right into the streets of Woodfield.
I thought we were going there.
Take pictures, stage.
One spot, do your own thing.
Yeah.
I want to take pictures with the Miatos.
Toaster and the loaves. Toasters and the loaves.
I'm putting this on the diffuser.
Oh hell yeah, dude! Wait, did Brian put his in? He said that he had it.
Yeah.
Oh
So
what?
go right there.
Dude, what?
No.
Dude, that looks nasty. But like, actually, look at that diffuser, dude. God. This looks good.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Dude, what? So I believe they're going to be doing a toaster picture. Good. Straight back. What's up?
Here you go, bro.
Oh, dang. Oh, a blue one? Damn.
It's like a holographic one.
How'd you get this? We don't even have them yet. Extreme focus. Yeah.
I was breathing slightly. I was like, but just like in my mind, I was.
You know the only difference between us and snipers? We don't kill people. But we still sit there and we're like, oh, oops, sorry.
No one likes the tuna salad here.
Sorry.
I do.
Ma'am. We saw that car go by, I was like, bro,
I was watching.
touch that car.
Yeah, I was about to be like, touch it.
You guys can't be here.
You can't be here. Bro, wait, bro, you got any games?
Those are my quarters.
Bro, those
You know
are
how
my
long it took me to acquire those? Unlimited dishes.
just put it on today. I think the rain's just gonna be off and on, probably. Good. Serge, you going, man? Good to see you, bro.
You guys safe, man.
Man, you too.
Thank you for coming.
Hit me up, bruh.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I got you. I got you. Are you heading out?
Yep.
What's your name again?
Jesus, by the way.
Jesus, DJ.
DJ, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, bro.
See you later.
All right, man. Take care. Yours the blue one, right?
Yeah.
Dude, clean. I saw that shit blow past me. I was like, what the? It's clean as hell. I like that wheel setup too.
Thank you.
That looks dope. That looks dope. Good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. You're heading out? Dude, it was good to see you.
Yeah, you too.
It was good to see you. All right, man. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys.
Take care of the IS.
I will do that. I will do that.
Have fun.
A little bit. Yeah, it's gonna be built to drift. Yeah.
Bro, save them for those tires.
Thank you, man. Let me know.
Excited for the new. Good night, bro.
See you later, man. I'll take care. Take care, bro.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too. You too.
I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, bet. Thanks for coming out, guys. All right, man. See you later. I want to hear that blow-off valve, though. Yeah, it's not gonna go off. Damn. It's all right. When you pull out of there, I'm sure I'll hear it. Damn, that's so close to the intercooler pipe.
Turn off the boost too right here.
Oh, you have an actual boost controller?
Yeah.
Oh no!
It just restricts the air.
Blows it up. Blows up.
I don't want it to blow up already.
Yeah, facts.
Get it tuned.
That's awesome, man. Congratulations, bro. That looks sick.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, it looks good.
That looks sick. I really didn't shoot too much, to be honest, but that's okay. It's also raining, so my camera, I can already see there's all this wet spot on there. All right, man. I'm out of here.
All right.
I'll see you later. Joey, we're out here, man.
Take
It
care.
was good to see you. Good to see you, man.
Yeah,
I'll see you later, bro.
God, we back. It's so cold.
Are you cold right now?
A little bit.
It's not that bad.
A little bit.
I don't think it's that bad. I guess that's the end of the shoot. I didn't really shoot too much. I think it's I'm enjoying myself a lot. So that's gonna be the end of this video. So it was really fun. But until next time, guys, see you on the other side. It's raining. Facts.
It's good to
Man. I think Sabrina has an umbrella. You guys eating bagels right now?
We closing out the vlog.